How to fix Instagram audio unavailable. Getting the audio unavailable error on the Instagram. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you why this happens and how to fix it quickly. So let's get started. The first step is to check if the audio is copyrighted or restricted. First, the audio might be copyrighted or restricted in your region. Instagram removes certain songs due to licensing issues. Some songs display audio unavailable due to copyright. For that, try using the Instagram's built-in music library instead of the third-party audio. Second step is to switch to a personal account. For that, go to the Instagram app, then tap onto your profile icon right here. Then tap onto three lines right here. After that, tap onto the search bar and type account, just like this, and scroll down and find the option which is add new professional account, just like this. Now tap on it. Now to switch to a creator or personal account, simply switch to creator account from here. If you have turned it on the business or professional account, you can simply switch it to creator or personal account. The next step is to clear cache of the Instagram. Now go to the settings app, just like this. After that, tap onto general right here. Now tap onto iPhone storage. Then find the Instagram app, just like this, and tap on it. Then to clear the cache, simply tap onto Offload app. And after offloading it, the cache of the Instagram will be cleared. And the final step is to simply update the Instagram. For that, go to the App Store, just like this. Then tap onto the search bar and type Instagram and search for it. Then open the Instagram app. And if there is the update version, just like this, then simply update it. And that's how you fix the audio unavailable error on the Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.